Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Naveen Kumar with us from Sonora Solar. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, can you just let us know about Sonora Solar, like how and when it came into the solar industry?
Yes, ma'am. Sonora Solar was started in 2016 in Gujarat, Surat. So with the three board of directors. One is Piyush Varia, and again Mayur Vastrapar sir, and again Ridham Patel sir. So started with the 200 megawatts से चालू किया था हमने. So we have started with 200 megawatts as well as from there we started with our 550 monoperk module we have started on that one after getting a success on that one. Right now we have been at that earlier place we were at the 68th place in ALLM as well as. So started with a slowly now we are at the top 4th place in ALLM list as well as. So and again now we have started with our N-type TOPCon panels as well as. So we do have a models from 572 up to 600 watt peak panels as well as both glass to glass.
So for this REI 2025, so what is the key highlights for viewers want?
So we do have a highlight is that G12R in the November month we have been going to in the month end we have been launching our G12R from 610 watt peak to 640 watt peak का panels आने वाला है. So this is a thing, and again in this REI we have launched our hybrid inverters as well as.
Can you just elaborate more about its technology?
या मैम टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में भी आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. एंड वन मोर थिंग एंड वी आर ब्रिंगिंग वन मोर हाईलाइट एंड बेस्ट बी वी आर एंटरिंग इनटू द बेस्ट मार्केट एज वेल एज. सो बैटरी एनर्जी सिस्टम ऑल्सो वी आर बीन कमिंग अप विद along with the lithium battery as well as. So and again one more highlight I want to highlight here in this one 2026 Sonora Solar is planning for cell manufacturing as well as. These are the things, that's the main highlight for the REI right now.
That's great, sir. Like, if we talk about Sonora Solar, like how Sonora Solar is maintaining the quality and standards to meet the global benchmarks.
Yes, ma'am. So Sonora from the day one 2016 से अभी तक main maintain कर रहा है distributors, dealers और entire quality भी product भी each and everything 2016 से अभी 2025 कहाँ पर भी quality पे इफ्स एंड बट्स ही नहीं है. ये ग्रेड प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है तो ए ग्रेड ही मिलने वाला है इधर. और उसकी वजह से देन राइट नाउ आई वाज यूजिंग गेटिंग इट डन ओनली 2016 से 18 तक सिर्फ एक ही का हम लोग OEM भी बनाते थे दूसरा कंपनी का पैनल. टुडे आई एम एबल टू डू अराउंड 18 कंपनीज. इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू प्रोवाइड अ क्वालिटी द पीपल वोंट स्टे विथ मी एंड दैट टू लाइक द पैनल्स हु हैव बीन सप्लाइड फॉर द पैन इंडिया. तो पैन इंडिया तो उतना क्वालिटी आप ही समझ सकते हैं. जब क्वालिटी दे रहे तो हमारे पास लोग रहेंगे. So
that's a good and great achievement for Sonora, we believe, and we wish all the luck and all the success in coming years for all the coming projects that are in pipeline.
Sure, ma'am. So megawatt project abhi we have been planning for the entire South India majorly, and again Rajasthan and again Gujarat and Odisha. These are the main targeted areas where there megawatt scales का अच्छा project Sonora Solar का वहाँ पे maximum होने वाला है.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for sharing the information with us. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.